Excellency Mr. Musadik Malik, Federal Minister for Climate Change and Environmental Coordination of Pakistan. You have the floor.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, when I was growing up, I was told that we are all of us, interwoven into one global fabric. I was also told that we all belong to one global village. I look around now and I see the multilateralism that we've been talking about weakening. I see war-torn areas. I see tariff conflicts. I see funding for environmental issues going down. And I see bilateralism rising, sometimes giving way to unilateralism. Look at the plight of Palestinians, which was just presented to you. Look at the unilateralism there. I would like to present some of the conflicts at our own borders, and I would like to highlight the unilateralism there. I ask you, are we still interwoven into one global fabric? Or are some cultures, some people, some religions, some languages a patch on this fabric? I very firmly believe that women's rights matter. I firmly believe minority rights matter. I firmly believe environmental rights matter. I believe children's rights matter. I believe animals' rights matter. But may I ask you, do the Palestinian rights matter? Are their women and children still women and children? May I ask you if Kashmiri rights matter? Are they not a minority, and should they not be given the minority rights that are afforded to the rest of the world? I ask you if the water rights matter, or do the upper riparian countries have the unilateral right to take the flow of water away from the lower riparian countries? We've all gathered here to celebrate our history, our culture, our civilization. Who has ever been able to stop winds from blowing, waters from flowing, fragrance from growing, and colors from glowing? No one. We are here to honor what exists across boundaries: our humanity, our empathy, and our sympathy for the poor and the disenfranchised. Do we not all bleed when hurt? Do we not all cry when hurt? And do we not all smile when loved? So we are here to celebrate our collectivity on the 20th anniversary of the UN Alliance on Civilization. That's why we are all here. We're here to commemorate the UN resolution to mark 15th March as the International Day for Combating Islamophobia. And with that, all xenophobia that exists in the world. At the 80th anniversary of the United Nations, ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, we strive today for peace, for harmony, for mutual respect, and for love for humanity. That's our civilization, and that's we're all here today. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much.